23rd, 1992, and Willie Otte has another execution date.
We are going to activate the chair.
2 weeks from today.
I don't want people moving around. For your own good.
You are watching preparations that are rarely seen.
We have the hum, we've got the power.
The testing of the electric chair. Chuck Hohenstein is the warden's assistant. The mechanics of the chair are simple, and so is the test.
6, 7, 8, stop.
Electricity is sent through 2 cables.
We'll switch over to the low for 22. How's the water doing in there, Dalen?
To make sure electricity is moving through those cables, they are simply placed in a barrel of water.
So you have leads going into a water barrel.
Right.
And
that would generally equate to the resistance we would anticipate in the human body.
so how do you know that the electricity is working? I mean, does the water boil, or?
If we went 2 minutes or beyond, the water would boil with a lot of vigor.
Prison officials do not allow us to show pictures of the water barrel.
But right now, as we stand here 2 weeks before the execution date, is it working?
It's working well.
Willie Otte was sentenced to die for the murder of Jane
The named defendant was convicted of first-degree murder by the District Court of Douglas County, Nebraska.
They want to kill someone. They don't care who it is.
Of death by electrocution and causing the passage of an electric current through the body of Harold Lamont Otte until death is provided by law.
After more than a dozen appeals, Willie Otte is running out of time. The death squad at the Nebraska State Penitentiary began rehearsing for his execution in June of 1991.
This is as close as they've gotten to the smelling of blood.
They need the practice because no one has been put to death in Nebraska since 1959.
It looks a little old-fashioned or undeveloped, but the basic engineering is very sound, I'm told. It's very reliable.
Pretty low.
Of course, we could say it hasn't had a lot of use, too.
Chuck Hohenstein is the warden's assistant.
How do you maintain this?
We have a specialist.
Where does the executioner stand?
He stands where I'm standing right now.
When you say throw the switch, what's the switch?
The operation is controlled with this rotary switch.
That's what actually
Does the job.
Willie Otte has asked the Supreme Court for a stay of execution, but even he doesn't expect to win. He's been filing appeals from death row for 14 years, and he's lost every